Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something really special. We are going to do the red light makeup challenge. No, all jokes aside. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn on the red lights. We're gonna play with the Carnival palette because I've never used this before. I've only seen it. I've never actually used it. So it's gonna be fun. Let's not make this intro too long. Let's just jump right on into the video. Alright guys, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the ring light and we're gonna turn on the red lights and we're gonna make this work. Oh, I'm so scared, so nervous. Oh. Well, I'll see you in a few with red lights and here we are in all red lights. Oh shit. So I saw this from James Charles, who got this, I guess, from a girl on TikTok. I don't know specifically her name, but I will find her information. I'll link it down in the description box below to give her credit. And then I saw Nikki Tutorials do it, so I was like, why not? Let's give it a shot. Okay, so we're just gonna go right into it. We're gonna prime with our trusty. So we're gonna prime with our P. Louise base in Rumor 2, as I said before, and we're gonna use a Mikasa E230 to prime the eyelids. The worst part about this is that I can't see if I've blended everything out. I can't see if I've blended anything right. Now that we've blended that to semi-filth, because I don't know if we actually blended it to filth, we're gonna go in with our Carnival palette now and hope and pray that what I come up with isn't a damn disaster. Oh, well. This is what it looks like in the light. Can you tell what the colors are? 'Cause I sure can't. And then when you lift it up, it looks like this. Take a blending brush. I'm just gonna pray for the best. By the way, if you guys see me squinting, it's because I use glasses and I can't see nothing. So on top of, I don't know, it being red in here, I'm also having to squint to see what I'm using. So I'm using a Jeffree by Morphe. I'm kind of wanting to go into like why though, because why would I do this to myself? So in this light, it looks like a good transition shade. Doesn't mean it will be. So we're gonna give that a shot. We're just gonna dip right into it. Can y'all see what color that? Nah, me neither. All right, let's just blend. Keep blending. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Blend. So right now I just have like a half of a crescent, half of a moon. I mean, in this light, it doesn't look bad. Okay. So I'm gonna do the other eye now. I'm gonna just do the other eye. Just gonna figure this out. Okay, other eye, here we go. I think this challenge was kind of awesome, an awesome idea for the person who started it or who created it. It gives people the option to stop being so scared of makeup and start working on it and have fun with it, which is why I'm doing this, because I want to do it for the love of makeup, not for anything else. I just love makeup, and that's what we're gonna do here. All right, next color, and I am gonna go in with this is just so hard to choose from. Like, I'm all up in your face. I'm sorry. Let's get together and let's get comfortable. Anywho, let's pick a color. I kind of like the hype. I'm low-key feeling the hype. But that's wonder why though. Let's try the nuke. Working it. I put it right at the end. Right at the end of my cut of my crease. We're just deepening it and working it towards the center. It's okay if you want to do, you know, put it into the center. You always put a color in there anyway. That kind of looks good. Actually, that kind of just looks a little patchy. Not gonna lie, it looked a little patchy, but I just fixed it. I put a little bit more right on top. All right. I guess we'll go in now with, let's go in with the glitter. I kind of want to go, Splendor looks really cool. It's this color right here. Not that you can see what color it is, but I figured that I'd help you out, you know? So it's this one right here. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, I'm shook. Look at this. Ooh, y'all see that? Like, I can see where the cut crease is happening on, like, on film, but I can't see where it's happening on the mirror. I'm gonna go back in with Nuke, deepen up that end crease, the end of the corner, the outer corner of my eye. I'm using my favorite. It's by Laura Mercier. In the shade, 4W2 Chai. Now, I'm gonna go with, this is the Jeffree Star. My little star broke. I'm in shade C15. So we're just gonna pat these in there. What do you guys think? Does it look blended? It was a joke, because you can't tell. Alright, so we're using a W, the contour and highlight palette. Now, I've used this quite some time before. It's one of my favorite contour palettes, but I recently put it down for the Fenty, because that's become my next favorite. I don't remember which one I like the most, so A, we're gonna figure it out. B, we're gonna hope that I don't over contour and over powder and over bronze. And yeah. I cannot see not even a shadow. Not even a damn shadow to tell me that I'm on the right path. They're out to get me. Not even a damn shadow. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna hit our faces with some highlight. So I don't remember which one I used because my friends also used to use this palette. I don't know if I'm the first or the second one, so I'm just gonna kind of mix both of them together, you know. Oh man, I don't know how much highlight I'm putting on. I just know that there's a glow, there's some kind of glow happening. Well, at least we're brightening up our day. 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 So the next thing that we gotta do is brows. I don't even know if I want to put on lashes. Like, I'm scared. Like, scared. Like, scared. But I do need to put on a lip. I do know that. So, what we're going to do is I have 3 lip print. Lip print. Watch out for that word, lip print. I have 3 different lip pencils. I know what they're called. I really don't pay attention to the kinds of colors that they are. They look to be kind of like purpley, maybe brown, maybe I don't know. Kind of. There's a Kylie Vixen. I think that was in her Christmas collection. I'm not sure. I think I got this one in a BoxyCharm. I haven't really used it. It's called Dirty Little Secret. Rosy Posy. This is Huda Trophy Wife. I kind of forgot what that looks like. I'm kind of going to go with Rosy Posy from Dirty Little Secret. Don't know what it looks like. Just going to give it a shot. I don't know how this is going to look. I'm actually kind of nervous. This is it's lip gloss. It's Pat McGrath in Flesh Fantasy. I don't honestly remember what color that is. I really don't. I kind of just bought them because they were cute. I like the glittery one on there, and that's the only reason I bought them. Kind of forgot about the rest of them. So I have my handy dandy mascara from Pat McGrath. It's the Fetish Eyes mascara. Okay, let's put that on. I love the way this mascara makes my lashes look. Not that you can really see them, but to me, person that barely has any lashes, this makes it look like I got some going on. And I'd rather have some going on than have none going on. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. Why not? These are, can't tell you which one. I can't even tell you which one these are. I know that there are from Eon's Beauty, of course. Got support, you know. Ooh. Guys, right now in my head is playing, wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. That's really what's in my head right now. As I am doing this lash and gluing this, that is what's playing in my head. Hey girl, hey. New lashes, who that? Alright. So, the time has come to reveal the mess that we've made. Okay? Or a possible clap that we deserve for doing a great job. We shall see where we stand. Quite frankly, I'm a little afraid. Alright, it's time to turn off these lights and turn off the beauty lights. Alright, let's do this. Alright, turning off the lights and then turning on the beauty lights. I'll be right back. So I haven't looked just yet. I am very nervous to see what I look like. I just realized I didn't do the bottom eye. Oh my gosh. But it's okay. We'll work with it. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. What? Are you kidding me? Okay. Alright, so that nose contour game is strong. It is strong. Well, I'm not mad at the lip though. And that highlight. Oh my god. I've never done contour this strong ever in my life. Okay, so let's inspect. I have so many colors clashing right now. I have my purple hair. I have whatever this is. Okay. I mean, overall, we didn't do a bad job. Do I think it's the best makeup that I've done? No. Did we do better than expected? Absolutely. Yeah, this was actually really fun to do. Like, I actually low-key like it. So this is what we ended up with, guys. What do you think? I'm actually okay with it. Me quedó bien. Bueno. I see you. No, let me stop. No, seriously, what do you guys think a bit of it? Let me know what your thoughts are, and if you like more videos like this for me to do, drop it down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. And then you can also follow me on Instagram at KCMUE. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.